So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to change or remove a sponsor on Cash App, sponsored account and settings fix. So how to change and remove a sponsor on Cash App. To change a sponsor on Cash App, the current sponsor must first remove sponsorship from their account. Then the teen user can send a new scholarship request to another adult. To remove a sponsor, the current sponsor goes to profile, then family and sponsored account, then select the account and choose remove sponsorship. What is a sponsored account on Cash App? A sponsored account is a teen Cash App account supervised by an adult. Sponsor can approve payment, view activity, manage limits, control certain settings. How to change a sponsor on Cash App? Cash App does not allow direct sponsor switching inside setting. You must first remove the account sponsor, then add a new one. Step 1. Ask current sponsor to remove scholarship. The current sponsor must do this from their own Cash App. Open Cash App, then tap the profile icon, then go to family sponsored account. Select the teen account, tap remove scholarship, sponsorship or stop sponsorship. Confirm removal. Once removed, the account became unsponsored temporarily. Step 2. Add a new sponsor. After the old sponsor is removed, open Cash App on the teen account, then go to profile, then personal account settings. Then choose add sponsor or request sponsorship. Enter the new sponsor, cash tag, phone number or email. The new sponsor accepts the request. Sponsorship will transfer after approval. How to completely remove a sponsor? If you just want to remove supervision, current sponsor, open Cash App, go to family sponsored account, then select account, remove sponsorship. After removal, some features may be limited. Cash card or transfer may require verification. Account may need age verification. Common problem and fixes. Can't change sponsor. You cannot swipe directly. Remove first, then re-add. Remove option missing. Update Cash App to latest version. Make sure sponsor logs into their account, not the teen account. New sponsor request not working. Check correct. Cash tag / email. Both accounts should be active and verified. Important notes. Only the current sponsor can remove sponsorship. You cannot force or remove a sponsor from a teen account alone. If the sponsor is unavailable, contact Cash App support inside the app. Thank you.